Hello students, myself Karishma Datta from Saraswat International Academy. I am going to teach you standard 10th English medium subject social science chapter number 10 India Agriculture part 6. Okay student, before moving with the part 6, we shall do the revision of the other parts. In the first part, we have seen the introduction about agriculture, how much agriculture is useful to us, how much agriculture contribute in the national product, right? And even in Indian economy also. We saw with the types of farming, right? We saw with the methods of farming. Then we saw different types of crop, that is wheat, jowar, paddy, maize, right? Even we saw about the oil seeds, different types of oil seed. Now we will move on with the cash crop. The first cash crop we have seen it, right? That was cotton. Now the second cash crop we will see, that is the sugar cane. So we shall start with the sugar cane. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is a major crop in India. Maximum sugarcane is sown in India in the world. Okay, sugarcane is said to the major crop of India. Okay, and maximum sugarcane is sown in India in the world. Okay, maximum sugarcane where it has been grown in the whole world, that is in India. Students, you need to remember this. Okay, then in the production, India ranks second after Brazil. Okay, maximum sugarcane is been grown in India, but when it comes to production, India ranks second, and who ranks first? That is Brazil. Sugar, gur, khansari, and ethanol. Ethanol is an alcohol. It is said to be as what? Ethanol is what, student? That is alcohol are being produced out of sugar cane. Okay, that means sugar, good, khansari, right, and ethanol. These all are the products which are being taken out from what? That is from the sugar cane, which are produced from the sugar cane. Okay, now we shall see that what type of soil it needs. Black fertile alluvial lava soil, hot and humid climate, 21 degree to 27 degree temperature, 75 to 100 centimeter of rainfall are necessary for sugar cane. Okay students, black fertile alluvial soil is being needed for this. Then hot and humid climate is being needed. Then how much type of temperature is being needed? 21 degree to 27 degrees Celsius temperature is being is needed for the cultivation of sugarcane. 75 to 100 centimeter of rainfall is necessary for sugarcane. Uttar Pradesh is the top in area sown, okay, in whole India, right? What they're saying, that more production of sown land is for what? That is for sugarcane. But Maharashtra leads in the production. Okay, sown area for sugarcane is been seen more where? That is in Uttar Pradesh. But who leads in the production? That is Maharashtra leads in the production. Okay, so students, see the difference. More sown area, top area sown is in Uttar Pradesh, but leading producer is which state? That is Maharashtra. South Gujarat and Saurashtra produce more sugarcane in Gujarat. Okay, the South, that is our side. South Gujarat and the Saurashtra side, right? These two areas produce what? More sugarcane in Gujarat. In India produce maximum jute in the world. Okay, same like that. Sugarcane, India produce maximum jute in the world. Jute fiber is also called as golden fiber. Okay, what name is been given to jute fiber? That is golden fiber. It may come for 1 mark, student, right? So if you have your textbooks with you, so underline this sentence, right? The jute fiber is also called as what? It is also called as golden fiber. Next, jute cloth, gunny bag, mattress, rope, bag, footwears, handicraft items, etc. are made from jute. Okay, we have seen it like gunny bags, even jute clothes, mattress, rope, bags, footwears, handicraft items, etc. These all are made up from what? That is jute. India has a strong competition from Bangladesh with regard to cheap labor in jute industry. Okay, India is having a strong competition with Bangladesh. Regard with what? With regard to cheap labor in just jute industry, right? Cheap laborers can be found where, that is in Bangladesh, because of cheap laborers, where bigger, that is in the industry, jute industry in Bangladesh. Next, jute requires fertile soil of the delta region where new sediment is deposited every year. Hot and humid climate, 30 degree to 40 degree temperature, and more than 100 centimeter of rainfall. Jute requires fertile soil. What type of soil is required, students? That is fertile soil. Okay, of the delta region. Okay, we know that, if I can say West Bengal, see, you can see down the word West Bengal is being seen, and delta region, obviously Brahmaputra and Ganga, they, Sundarban delta region, right? And what they're saying, the new deposit which are being brought out by whom? That is by the rivers every year. That type of soil, if it is been seen, then the jute crop is being grown over there. Okay, what type of climate is needed? Hot and humid climate. And what degree Celsius temperature? 30 to 40 degrees, 40 degrees Celsius temperature, and more than how much centimeter of rainfall? 100 centimeter of rainfall. Jute is grown more in Ganga Delta in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Odisha, and Uttar Pradesh. These all areas from Assam to Brahmaputra is been seen, right? So in Ganga Delta region, that is West Bengal, Odisha, and Uttar Pradesh. These are Ganga Delta regions. We have done in 9 standard students, right? So these regions, what do they have? That Ganga Delta being the deposit to be seen in the Ganga river, and over there, because of that, which crop is been grown? That is jute, is cash crop has been grown. Next, now we will move on with, that is tobacco. Tobacco is a kharif crop. What type of crop is tobacco? Kharif crop. Kharif crop means over here monsoon crop. Sandy loamy soil, 20 degree Celsius temperature, 100 centimeter of rainfall are suitable for tobacco cultivation. Tobacco is said to be as what type of crop? That is monsoon crop. Sandy and loamy soil is needed. 20 degree Celsius temperature is being needed. 100 centimeter of water is being needed. Rainfall is needed for the good suitable condition for tobacco cultivation. Next, soil is determining factor than climate for tobacco cultivation. Okay, soil plays a very important role, and even the climate plays a very important role for cultivation of what? That is of tobacco. Next, major 4 countries in the world which grow and export tobacco are China, Brazil, India, and USA. China, Brazil, India, and USA. These are the 4 countries which even grow tobacco, and which even what do? They even export the tobacco. Next, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka are major states producing tobacco in India. Which are the states producing more tobacco in India? That is Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka are the major states producing what? That is tobacco in India. Next, the Charotar region of Kheda and Anand district, Mehsana, Vadodara, Panchmahal grow more tobacco. The Charotar region of Kheda and the Anand district, that is in Anand district, Mehsana, Vadodara, Panchmahal grow more what? That is tobacco, students. Okay, in Gujarat. About 80% of BD tobacco of India is produced in Gujarat. Okay, about 80% of BD, that is of tobacco of India, is produced from where? That is from Gujarat. That is more tobacco, students, is been seen that is produced by what? That is by Gujarat. Tobacco is used to make gutka, BD, cigarette, Sanaf, etc. These are the things which are being used for from what tobacco is being made. Okay, but tobacco consumption is harmful to health. Sikkim is the first state to ban tobacco gutka. Student, over here you need to know it very carefully. No doubt tobacco is being grown in a very large scale. in Gujarat, 80% of it. But tobacco consumption, that is having tobacco, is said to be very harmful for what? That is for health. And which state? A very important for objective. Which state in India has banned the tobacco gutka? That is which state? That is Sikkim. I have said the question. That type of question can come forward. That is for exam. So you need to hear it very carefully, student. Whatever it is been said to you in this video, right? Hear it very carefully and do tick mark in your textbook even, because these questions are very important and very trickily it can be asked in the exam. So you need to remember it very carefully. Okay, so underline this sentence that Sikkim is the first state to ban tobacco gutka, okay, in India. Okay, now we'll move on with that is rubber. Rubber is prepared out of the milk oozing out of the latex tree. Okay, over here what they're saying that oozing over here means flow. Okay, oozing over here means what? Flow. Rubber is prepared out of the milk oozing out of the latex tree. Okay, from this what is being produced, that is rubber is being produced. Acetic acid is mixed with the milk collected from the rubber plantation. Okay, what has been mixed with the milk of this tree? That is from this tree what is being taken out, that is milk flows. That means milk flows from this tree. Okay, and in this milk what is being mixed up? That is acetic acid. Acetic acid has been mixed up from the rubber plantation. Then it is heated. Then what it is been done? It is heated on what temperature? It is heated on low temperature to obtain what? That is rubber. That means in this milk what has been mixed? That is acetic acid has been mixed. What has been mixed? Acetic acid is been mixed. It is been then what done? It is been heated. What it has been done? It is been heated in the low temperature, and then from that milk what has been obtained with mixing of acetic acid? That is rubber is been obtained. It is used next. It is used in many industrial products like tire, tube, etc. Okay, it has been used in many industries use this for making what? That is tire, tube, etc. And we know that how much rubber is important, student, because the transportation has been depend on that only. Okay, next. Rubber plantation is carried out in the regions of hot and humid climate and heavy rainfall. Okay, now over here what type of climate is been seen for the rubber plantation? Hot and humid climate. And over here how much rainfall has been needed? They have not specified a centimeter. They are saying that heavy rainfall is been needed for what? That is for rubber plantation. Malaysia ranks first in the rubber production. Which country in the world ranks first in rubber production? That is Malaysia. Next, in India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam and Tripura are rubber producing states. Okay, in India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam and Tripura are rubber producing state. These are the states where rubber is being produced. Okay, now we'll start with the medicinal condiment and spices. Over here, student, condiment means what? Adding flavor to food. Adding what? That is condiment means adding some flavor to food. That is salt, right? Adding salt to something, sugar or some spices, that is said to be as condiment, to add some flavor to the food. Okay, we'll see that. Gujarat ranks first in production of cumin seed. Cumin seed over here means jiru, right? Cumin seeds what? That means jiru. Fennel seed. Fennel seeds means sof, variali. Okay, and isabgul in the world. Gujarat ranked first in the production of cumin seed, fennel seeds, and isabgul in the world. Remember it, very important for objectives. Beside this, India leads in the production and export of dry coriander, sukha dhania. Okay, fenugreek student over here means methi. Okay, mustard over here means sarso, and suwa and ajwain. Okay, suwa and ajwain. So what they are saying that India leads in production and even exports the dry coriander, fenugreek, mustard, suva, and ajwain. Okay, these are even produced and even it is been exported. Next, India contribute about 35% in the total world production of condiments. Okay, what they are saying that India contributes important one, underline it student and even remember it, it's a data. India contributes about 35% in the total world production of condiments, okay, in the world. India black pepper over here means kali miri. Okay, cinnamon means dalchini. Okay, and clove over here means long. Okay, clove means what? That is long. Are in high demand in the country and the world. Okay, India black pepper, cinnamon, clove, etc. are in high demand. High demand in the country, even in the country, and that is even in the world. Next, now we'll move on to the medicinal plant over here. Ashwagandha, Tulsi, Kariyattu, Mindi, Owl, White Mussel, then Madhudan, Shani, Ashok, Garmal, Lindi Piper, Galol, aloe vera, etc. are included as medicinal plant. These all are said to be as what? Medicinal plant. And mint, menthol, pal, palzora, rosa, lemongrass, etc. are included in the flavored crop. These are flavored crop and these are upper one are said to be as medicinal plants. Okay, now we'll move on with the fruit, vegetables, and flowers. In fruit production, India ranks second after China. India ranks second after what? That is after China. Fruits like banana, mango, apple, grapes, naspati, orange, etc. are grown in India. These all fruits are grown in India. Bananas are grown in Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra, apple in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and grapes in Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, over here they're saying that bananas are more grown where in Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra, apples in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, grapes in Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. As grapes production is less than its demand, okay, more demand has been seen, okay, it has been imported from Afghanistan, Pakistan, Australia. Grapes are imported from Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Australia. Okay, student, more demand can be seen but the production is less over here. Beside various vegetables are grown, okay, beside this even various vegetables are grown in India. Okay, flowers like rose, jui, mogra, galgota, etc. are also cultivated. They are also been cultivated over here. Thus various crops are grown in India. Okay, student, over here we are concluding with all the crops. Okay, we have seen with the different types of cereals, we have seen with the different types of pulses, we have seen with the different types of oil seeds, even we have seen with the different types of cash crops. Okay, we have seen with the even the condiments, the spices, even we have seen the fruit, the vegetables, and the flowers also over here. Over here we are totally completing with the main agriculture, right? What has been grown in India as a crop. We are concluding over here, or conclusion is been seen over here about the crops. So thus various crops are grown in India. So in the next part we will start with what, that is the technical and institutional reforms in agriculture. What we'll start with the technical and institutional reforms, that how did the more crops should were being grown in India, what was the reason, what were the reforms being brought up, what technology was being used, right? That in detailed form we will see in part 7. So now over here we are concluding with all the growing of crops and this and that, even in a very clear form. Okay, so in the next part we'll see with the new topic, and over here we complete with the various crops that is grown in India.